Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our... Hello everyone. Today we're breaking down the recent conversation sparked by a YouTuber regarding claims that Colaz Smith isn't respectful to his subscribers. I watched the video and I've also looked at other community reactions, and I want to offer a different perspective based on what's actually happened. First, I want to acknowledge that many people in the online community and some videos, including this YouTuber, have expressed concern about how Colaz interacts with his audience. Some people even said they stopped watching his live streams because they felt there was disrespect shown to the subscribers. That kind of feedback is important. Creators should always listen to their audience. Colaz has built a supportive community. Look at how many loyal followers Colaz has. He has over 200,000 subscribers, which shows that a lot of people genuinely appreciate his work and what he brings to YouTube. This isn't a channel built overnight. It's years of consistent content, engagement, and community building. That level of dedication suggests Colaz does value his subscribers and their support, even if not everyone always agree with every moment. Sometimes a creator's style might come off as blunt, emotional, or unfiltered, especially in live streams or heated moments. But that doesn't automatically mean disrespect. Speaking honestly or passionately isn't the same as disrespecting someone. Many fans hold him in high regard and defend his style while others criticize him. And there are users online saying he's doing big things and building generational wealth, showing clear support from others in the community who appreciate his work. Instead of saying Colaz is not respectful enough, a more useful critique is, here's how we'd like to be engaged more personally. Here are specific moments that felt disrespectful. Here are ways he could improve communication with subscribers. This shifts the conversation from attacking a creator's character to building a stronger community together. Colaz Smith has shown over time that he values his audience, even if not everyone agrees with his style or approach. Thousands of subscribers continue to support him, interact with his content, and enjoy what he's doing. That in and of itself is a sign of mutual respect between creator and community. Respect isn't just about perfect behavior. It's about consistent engagement, community growth, and genuine interaction over time. So yes, creators should always listen and grow, but saying Colaz needs to be more respectful overlooks the years of commitment and the many positive connections he's already made with his audience.